Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's simply Grace Miria. If you're new here, my name is Grace, and in this channel I talk about lifestyle, traveling and nursing. Welcome back to my channel. If you've always been here to support me, thank you so much. So guys, today I'm going to be talking about the reason for UK visa refusal. Be sure to watch until the end. I'm not an immigration officer. I don't deal with anything to do with visa. This information, I just got it from the internet, and I also got it from friends and family, and even myself actually, because at some point there was a time I was denied visa, and this information is solemnly based on information that I have acquired. So guys, as you all have seen in my other videos, I recently applied for my mom's visitor visa, and it was denied on the first attempt. When I tried the second attempt, she was given the visa. So during that process of me trying to apply for a second visa for my mom, I did a lot of research. I did a lot of research from the internet. I asked a lot of my friends, some other family members who have also applied the visa before, and I came up with 6 points for the reason as to why your visa is being denied. So the first and foremost thing, number one, is failure to disclose information. So a good example of this is like your immigration history. So if there is a point in your life that you've tried to apply for any visa and it has been denied, maybe you've tried to a different country, let's say like Canada, let's say like maybe Australia or even UK. If you've tried like to apply before and they've denied you the visa, depending on the reasons, it's very good that you put this when you're applying your visa, because the moment you fail to do so and they find out that you were actually denied a visa before and you did not disclose this, then a possibility that they won't be giving you the visa. It's always good that you disclose every detail, even if you don't remember the dates. You just know that the visa was denied, but you are not very sure of the date or the month or the year. So you can just try to find the information on the UK government. You can try to email them. So number two is lack of enough supporting evidence. So guys, on this, it depends on which kind of or which type of visa that you're going to be applying, be it a student visa, be it a work visa, be it a dependent visa, or whichever visa that you're coming with. They normally, during your application, they normally tell you the most important things that they need. So they tell you that you have to put evidence of this, you have to put evidence of this. So that is the most important part or bit that you need to look into and make sure that you submit the documents, the supporting documents that they need. For example, like in my mom's case, I was applying for a visitor's visa, and they told me on the letter that I got that they had denied me the visa. They explained to me that I did not give enough evidence that my mom has got any family back at home, and it's true, because I did not give any birth certificate to my of my siblings, of either of my mom's grandchild. I did not give the marriage certificate between my mom and my dad. So I only gave the birth certificate between me and mom. So the immigration officer saw that my mom only has me, and if she comes here to the UK, because I'm the only family that my mom has, then there's no way that she's going to go back. And whatever these people want, they want to make sure that you're a genuine visitor, and that if you come back, you are definitely going to go back home. That is what you have to show them. So that is just an example. I can just give another example for work visa. So in work visa, they just tell you to give the evidences that they need. A good example is your knowledge in English. So if you're a degree holder and you know that your degree has been done in English, well and good. So what do you need? You need an ECTIS certificate. This ECTIS certificate just tells the government, it just confirms that the degree that you did is in English, and that it's with line with this UK government English that they're teaching. So the English that you learned with and the English that they speak here, they write here and do everything here is more or less the same. That is what the ECTIS certificate is all about. Well, for those who have done maybe certificates or diploma, then you need to give your OET certificate, or maybe your IELTS, the English test certificate, so that they can know that you're able to speak in English, you are able to understand English, you're able to communicate in English, because definitely UK is an English speaking country, and if you are not able to prove to this government that you're able to understand English, to speak in English, to write in English, then why should they give you a visa? You need to prove that, and in proving that, you need to give this supporting evidence. You just give them what exactly they want. If you give them what they want, then they'll give you what you want. So the third thing is false documentation, guys. This is a very critical thing, and if you try it, then there's a possibility that they might even ban you from maybe accessing UK for quite some time. So it happens when maybe you try to forge some document, try to forge some signatures, or try to forge something. Well, guys, I wouldn't advise that. It's very bad. So just make sure that the documents that you're submitting, yeah, they are genuine certificates, genuine documentation, genuine affidavit, genuine everything. So that because the immigration officers are going to be looking into each and every document, and if they find out that you've given a false document, then you're going to be in trouble. So number 4 is applying for the wrong type of visa, or basically filling out a wrong application form. So guys, before you actually try to apply for a visa, be sure to apply for the right type of visa. Know which visa that you want. If be it dependent visa, make sure that the visa that you're applying is for dependent visa. Be it a work visa, know which kind of it. Know which kind of work visa that you are going to apply it. Be it a student visa and all those visas, guys. Please make sure that you look into that, and not just opening the site and like going ahead to take any application form and filling it and going for the biometrics, and when you wait for your visa and then your visa is going to be denied, then you'll be like, what did I do? Yeah, so just make sure that the application form that you're going to be filling out, it's the right application form that you're going to be needing. So the 5th thing is criminal record that is found against you that is seeking the visa. If there's any criminal record that you've got, be sure to please declare this when you asked, because if you declare it, maybe, well, depending on what you've done, maybe they might consider it or not. It's for them to decide that, and it depends with the criminal offense that you did. Then they're going to be deciding if they're going to be issuing the visa or not. And if you do not like disclose the criminal offense that you've got, then this is we'll go back to the first point where we say failure to disclose information, of which they definitely not going to be giving you the visa, because you lied to them in the first instance that you've got no criminal offense, and they come and find out that you have a criminal offense, then it's going to be a problem for you guys. So the 6th thing is insufficient funds. So when I applied my mom's visa again, so the one of the reasons that I told you that the visa was being denied is because of I did not give enough evidence of family ties, which my mom has back at home. And the other thing that the reason as to why my mom did not get the visa on the first time, it's because they told me that the financial status of my mom is not that good, because if the financial status is not good, then they told me on the letter that there's a possibility that my mom, when she comes here, she's going to have to look for work, and in the visa it's written that you are not supposed to work as a visitor in the UK. You are not supposed to work. It's even written on your visa, you're not supposed to work. So they told me that my mom there's a possibility that she's going to work here, and that is one of the reasons that they did not give the visa. So your financial situation is very, very important, even for the work visa. The visitor visa, it's good that you put your bank statement, and make sure that the amount that you put in there is enough. I'm not sure how much they need for it to be enough, but just make sure is what they want. And also, if it's a work visa, normally in the certificate of sponsorship, they tell you that your sponsor is going to be taking care of some of your needs when you're in the UK. But if it hasn't been said in your certificate of sponsorship, or if you're coming with a work visa that doesn't require any certificate of sponsorship, then you need to be giving out your bank statement. Your bank statement, which shows that when you come here, before you start earning your salary, your first salary, there's a way that you're going to be able to survive here, so that you don't like depend on the public funds, of which most of us, we that came with Tier 2, the skilled worker visa, we are not allowed to access the public funds. So they just want to make sure that you're not going to be accessing the public funds if you're not eligible to have them. That's it, guys. So please be sure to subscribe to this channel for more details on how I came and how I am in the UK. Thank you so much. Please make sure that you subscribe, you share, you like this video. Thank you. Bye.